Hello and welcome to my art and cooking channel. Today I have my September Azure standard order haul and just have some pictures in the beginning here of some things I got, but we also had some scratch and peck feed for our chickens that we're still in that was my daughter's hand, still in our trunk, so we didn't carry that out because it was just my daughter and I, and we felt like we couldn't, just my daughter and me, sorry, felt like we couldn't pick that up. Here is some grass-fed butter that we like to get occasionally. This is the Grazier's butter, and you can get a little bit of a discount with a group of 3. Here's something that can go onto our jar. I make all my salad dressings, and this can go right onto your canning jars. And here I'm going to try, this is just creamy peanut butter, and it's nice because it comes in one of the Azure canning jars, and so you can sort of reuse this for some of my dehydrated goods there, but I don't know, I'm just trying to read it, I think. I couldn't see it. The ingredients there, and my daughter's on a very special anti-inflammation autoimmune diet, and we can't have, she can't have any added sugars or things for that sort of thing. So it's just peanuts and salt. I got a couple more honeys because I've been cooking with honey. If we do have sugar, it's either date sugar, coconut sugar, honey, or maple syrup. Got a couple apple sauces. And by the way, those are 2 different honeys. One's the orange blossom, I think, and then the other one, we'll have to go back to the picture there and rewind it if you want to see that. But these 2 apple sauces, one's a Honey Crisp and one's the Gala apple. And so those are really tasty. I got my next vanilla extract and go through that quite a bit. And I like getting it from there. Everything's organic. I got some Curvy Mac einkorn pasta. I do have a pasta maker and I'm going to be making some videos with that, but this is sort of going to be my backup. This is 2.5 pounds. So, you know, you can make several things or pop these into soups because, again, she can't have anything except for freshly milled food, grains. This is date sugar. So what's nice about this is it's just dehydrated dates that have just been ground up. So you get lots of fiber in there still. So it has a lower glycemic index and it is very good for you. And yeah, but you should reduce the flour a little bit with that. Very much looking forward to these freeze-dried strawberries. They're organic, and the best price I've ever gotten is at Sam Club for the bag, but that is not organic. So I'm very glad to get these freeze-dried strawberries for popping into her spelt flakes and things, and quinoa flake, sort of oatmeal, quote unquote. I got this as a new product, this Camu, I'm not sure how to say that. It's a vitamin C boost. If you can pause that and read the back of the bag there. So you can like pop it into smoothies for, I'm always getting sick, so I'm gonna try some things there. Got some raw organic whole cashews. I make all her milks. A lot of times I use Brazil nuts or almonds, but I got some cashews to throw into the mix there. Got some dry roasted peanuts as well to make my own peanut butter, as well as using those in other recipes. So sorry about the messy table there. We came home from our drop, and there's my daughter's face. And we went ahead and just piled that all on the front table just so we could quickly take a video because I had to. We also got our glasses picked up, and I was really, really tired. So hopefully you'll enjoy that. Hopefully it gives you some ideas of some great things to try. I love all the products that I've tried so far, and the prices are great for organic foods and high quality. And if something does go awry, they're very good about returning you, refunding, I should say, great customer service. So hit the links down below. Thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you in the next video.